Hi guys, I'm Anna Casey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are out here in Joshua Tree, and for this video I have for you a house tour of the new amazing modern villa. It's called Sea House by Somewhere Joshua Tree. You can find there on Airbnb. I will leave all the links below in the description. And I'm so excited to give you this tour. We have stayed at several other locations by Somewhere Joshua Tree, and all of them have such an amazing modern design. So this property has a great location. It's very convenient. You can get within 10 minutes to all the amenities you need, like grocery store, national park. But at the same time, the place feels isolated, so you can actually relax and enjoy the stay here. This place had 3 bedrooms with king-size beds and 2 baths. All the living space in this house facing the pool, the house full of daylight, which is very nice. I love the open floor design. Right now I'm in the living room, so I want to start my tour from here. I absolutely love this wall with the TV and fire pit. It's really nice, like a black marble. The house has minimalistic design. I'm in a master bedroom. This room comes off the living room. Like I said, all bedrooms in this house have a king-size bed. What I love about this bedroom is that it has double sink vanity and double shower right inside the room. I think it's such a sexy and beautiful design. And also, I absolutely love the view from this bed. I can't wait to wake up in the morning and start my day laying in this bed and seeing this beautiful view of a pool and a desert. I love what they have done with the kitchen. It opens up from the living room. The contrasted design with the black kitchen cabinets, white marble island, and a concrete floor. And I also really like this dining area for 6 people. It's very thoughtfully designed. Let me show you the rest of the place. This is another bedroom of this house, also has a king-size bed. I really like this design over the top of the bed. Has two side lamps, and this room is very minimalistic but very comfortable and cozy. Also opens up to a view in the pool area. Here is the second bathroom of this house. It also has a double sink, and I really like this mirror. You can do your makeup with LED light. I love this marble countertop and marble shower. Let's go see the rest of this place. We're in the third bedroom now. It also has a king-size bed, very similar to the second bedroom, keeping up the minimal theme. It has a different artwork and also has facing the pool area. So this is the pool area where all the house faces. Has a nice swimming pool with a built-in hot tub. Also here is the lounge area with a marble fire pit. The backyard also has 4 tanning beds. This is where I'm gonna lay out tomorrow, taking a tan and enjoy the stay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this house tour. If you're planning to come out to Joshua Tree, I definitely recommend check out places by somewhere Joshua Tree. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I will see you in my next video. Bye!